Hello and welcome back to Technology for Blind YouTube channel. I am back with another interesting video. This will be a quick video, okay? So I'm gonna show how to use our phone's internet connection with our computer as like a hotspot. Now the usage of this is, now say you have a desktop computer which is not capable of using any Wi-Fi networks because the Wi-Fi adapters are not present in the computer as usual, okay? So say you have a phone with an active internet connection. Now you want to use the internet connection with your computer, okay? So simply you can connect the USB and enable the portable hotspot. Then you can use the phone's internet connection with your computer, okay? So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, now this is my phone. Okay, now I have a USB cable. This is the USB cable. Now this is my system. I'm gonna plug it, and the other end should be into my phone. Okay, I have plugged it. Now it asks use USB 4. Okay, now let's cancel. Okay, now you have to connect to your Wi-Fi connection or mobile hotspot, mobile data. Okay, now I have turned on my now simply you have to go to settings, wireless and networks, and guys this may depend on your system. Now since I'm using an Huawei device, these are the settings which I have to go through to enable the hotspot, but in every Android device or iOS device there are available options to share your internet connection with your system, but unfortunately I hope in iOS devices there will be, but I'm not sure about that. Okay, so let's click this tethering and portable hotspot. Okay, now portable Wi-Fi hotspot, there are some options available: Wi-Fi bridge, Bluetooth tethering, USB tethering. Now you have to tick this box. In my phone I have to tick this box. Now as soon as I press the tick button on the tethering and portable hotspot, it has been connected to the system. Okay, now let me increase the sound so you can go to your internet connection and see whether overflow notification area toolbar, NVDA button, save your remove networks, notifications over save network 16 internet access button, network 16 internet access, but I'm not sure what the 16 means. Okay, so however the internet access, now I have gained the internet. Let's go to Firefox. Now I can use internet as usual. Okay, so this is the tutorial. So remember, this may depends on your phone, and most probably you don't have to install any drivers because this option doesn't need any drivers at all. So in recent devices there will be some options to enable USB USB portable hotspot. Okay, so there is another way to share your mobile data with your other phones, which is called hotspot. Okay, so if you want a tutorial related to that, please mention it. I will provide the tutorial about that also. Okay, so if you have any questions, comments, ideas, please post it in the comment section. It would help me a lot to bring new tutorials for you guys. And yeah, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Hope this helps, and signing out, Mohomed Rashad.